Okay guys, so for this tutorial I am going to use 100% mercerized cotton. You can use any kind of leftover yarn that you have. They won't take much yarn, so you just use whatever you have left over. For example, if you see here, I just had like really little, so I just went with a half of the pattern and it works well. And this one I just did a full pattern, which I'm going to show you. And then I thought, because it's autumn, we can play with autumn colors. And then I got this green is here, the color number. Okay, so let's just start. So for this project, you are just going to need whatever your leftover yarn that you have, not too thick. And of course, you are going to need one of these hair elastics. And I use a 2mm hook with this kind of yarn. So what I'm gonna do first is slip knot. And now one double crochet, again one double crochet, so 2 double crochets. Next, 1 half double crochet, again half double crochet, and next 1 single crochet. So if you see, the pattern is 1 single crochet, 2 half double crochets, 2 double crochets, 1 half triple crochet, 1 triple crochet, and then on the way back 1 half triple crochet, 2 double crochets, 2 half double crochets, and then 1 single crochet. On the way back, we're going to continue with single crochet, because in the middle here we're going to need for the knot. This pattern from the beginning until the end, it will take 13 stitches, which means that from stitch number 1, which is this one here, we're going to count 13 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So, which means the rest of the stitches until here we're just going to do with single crochet, which are 18 single crochets. Okay, so right here in the middle we're going to do 18 crochet, the last one. So it's going to look like this. Okay, where we did the 1 single crochet, we are going to do another 3 single crochets in the same hole. So together with this single crochet there are going to be 4. Okay, so let's do another 3 single crochet in the same hole. 1, 2 and 3. Okay, and now we're going on the way back, and where we have a single crochet we do single crochet, where we have half double crochet we do half double crochet, and so on. We just follow the same pattern on the way back. So on the way back we did, here are 4 single crochets, so the pattern will follow 1 half double crochet, in the same stitch 2 single crochets because I want to have it nice over here. And then I will insert the hook and do a slip stitch like this, and then 1 chain, pull a little bit of yarn, and then cut the yarn. Now we're just going to hide this yarn. So once this part is done, then it's the easy part. Just make a knot. Yeah, so it will look like this. Yeah, well, this is what you can do with your leftover yarns. Okay, so if you like this tutorial, just give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you are new, and follow me in social media. Check my Etsy shop for mochila patterns, and thank you for watching, everybody, and I will see you on my next tutorial. Tschüss!